see so many of you here. We're gonna do 1 hour workshop. I need to apologize because I just got injured last weekend in France. Maybe some of you saw it on Instagram. So I can't really like dance a lot, but you guys are gonna dance. So warm up, okay? Find some space, find some space. Start with the top. Stretch. Breathe. Like that.
Flow straight out of pockets. They got moved by these hard facts. Bust floor rush when they DJ moving classes. You leave the young on that back hip hop record. He touched the kicks and sinks into the sound. She frequency back and twitch what our Zoom clip.
Alright, let's do it.
Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go.
It's a shit show. Who's you for, bro? Tell me shit.
I let one go.
Back, side, front, easy. Faster, move, down, front, side, back, side. Faster. Lean back. Try to find the balance. And bounce. One. Keep the rhythm, yes? We're gonna start with the top rock first. So we go, right? And then on one you pause. And then when you stop, okay? It has to be visible. It's not only in your head, it's like here, outside, okay? Everybody can see it, okay? So when you look at the room, right? Everybody's moving and then at the same time everybody's pausing, okay? Do you understand? Try to like do something with your legs. Full feet on your toes, okay? So try to like move a little bit one side, the other. Basically, you have to feel comfortable here. You always go back here. This is one of the most foundational positions, okay? And always go back to this position. And look at how I keep switch. Okay, let me do it faster. I like when dance is expressed maximum, okay? This is a very interesting and important concept because I like when dancers use her full potential of the body, okay? And when you contrast it with some foundation of breaking, you have a nice, like concept altogether, So just try it for now, just to like explore a little bit, slow down, breathe. You can lay down also, just the energy switched to the hip, right? And it started moving the hip. And then when I couldn't move hip anymore, it went back to the leg and just keeps going and switching. Same concept, and we want to connect it with one move. It can be one move from footwork, it can be one move like any foundation move, okay? So, because we want to make it more make it clean. More clean, more clean. More clean. Hold it longer.
Now that I got your attention, I'm slamming what you wanna hear. I just thought that I should mention 89 is the right year. Now's the time to roll like a
Dance too, but for me, the real essence of the dance is freestyle. When I'm not planning what I'm doing, but when it just comes out in the moment, okay? For me, that's the essence, okay? Choreography is cool and everything, but the essence is in the freestyle, okay? That's million times, it has to be sharp. It can't be like this, Because in the end, you want to be dancing, you don't want to be thinking. You just want to do a knee drop and freestyle with it, right? So every move, every foundation move, like this, footworks, drops, back rocks. And what you believe, this is what you're gonna show to the people, okay? So if you believe you can be the best, okay, you can. If you don't believe, so learn as much as you can and dance as much as you can. And experience will help you grow, yeah? But the mindset is like, I'm the best, I'm dope, I have the style, I have the flavor, and this idea in my head, the mindset, okay? That's how I dance, and that's why I'm here. Thanks. 1, 2, 3.